So I just want to show the progress on these gothic sashes, casement sashes, with the diamond-shaped pattern mutton bars and some unique joinery and what I've done so far here. So I've stripped the paint on this one. I'm still stripping on this one here, and here's the patch that I saved for future people to look at. The paint makes up a 6-inch strip that will be saved. Will be blended in with the next paint layer. And so what we've got is a series of Dutchmans. Here's the prototype Dutchman for this. This was deteriorated, it broken off, it was just being held together by the glass. So in here is this spline here, and it's got this connection point up here. Another little Dutchman here. Now I think either this has been two identical repairs, or this is the way these sashes were constructed in the first place, because if you look over here you can see the same joinery here, which has this big head up here that goes right in. However, this one's mortised right into the rail. Also, we have a filler strip here, wire nails, so more of a recent addition. And as I say, this one is stripped, it will be consolidated, so on. Now, the material for the Dutchman that I used was an old threshold plate that I have. That was 1920, circa 1920. Mahogany, very, very hard, very durable. Now, what I want to show here is the construction detail of the mutton bars and how the joinery works on this. So if I can gently tap this out so I can show how this all goes together. It's kind of unique here. So here we go. As you can see, sort of a series of compound cuts, miter cuts that go together to form this tenon that goes into the mortise here. Another very, very unique cut. And so it goes in like so. Just show you. And that's how it all goes together. So here, let me just show that again. How it goes together. And so on the joinery as well, I should show you that these are pinned. The tenon, mortise tenon is pinned, which what I believe is more or less a failed pin here because it's distorted. And if I put it back so the distortion is the opposite direction, it probably, well, it had a chance to break. You know, they get quite brittle after 150 years. So the original wedge, though, I think I'll reuse. I don't see any problem with that. And perhaps what I'll do here is use a white oak peg, a square peg, as I've done already, a joinery repair right here. So you can see I've just pulled that in nice and tight, ready for, as I say, consolidation there. So that's it so far.